In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord is not opening on your PC. First step is we want to open up Task Manager. Go in here and head over to Details, sort by the name and press Anywhere and press D and look for discord.exe. Make sure you enter task and you want to make sure that there's no other Discord here. Once you make sure that, you want to click on this little button, check for any Discord. If there's a Discord, you want to right click and exit Discord. Once you've done that, try and launch it and see if it works now. The second step is we want to find Discord, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Press apply and OK and try and relaunch Discord. If this still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you try and restart your PC and see if that works. And as a last step, if none of the other works, you should try and uninstall Discord by heading over to Apps and Features. Search for Discord, click on it, uninstall, and then go reinstall it from the internet. Once you've done that, hopefully it should work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.